YouTube? It's me again. I got a tiny problem here. It's not that big of a problem, but it is one that has a problem. And I need to fix it. So, what I'm doing is trying my best to solve the problem. Which way is this thing going? There we go. I'm not an expert machinist. I don't always know what the hell I'm doing, but you know what? It is what it is. And right now, I'm trying to find out if I need to find out if this thing is level. The what the hell is it called? Christ, I don't know what the hell it's called. I need to level my milling machine because I need to cut something and I need it to cut level. So, as far as I know, I have to make sure this goes true with this. Because if this is on an angle, it block it in there, it's going to cut an angle. So, I'm not sure how to do this. I don't really know what the hell I'm doing, but hey, I'll try to figure it out. And if I can do it on camera, I'll do it on camera. But what kind of level do I need? I don't know. I'm not even sure if I'm doing this right. In fact, I probably should get a level. So, you know what? I think before I do this, I might do a little more research online. Because that might help. But for the time being, I need to figure out how to get that thing to be level. And the only way I know of doing that is to try to level it. So I need to figure out how the hell. See, I don't know. I'm not an expert at this, so I don't really know what the hell I'm doing. I need to put this in here, I think. Yeah, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. You know what? I quit for now. See, because I have what do you call it? Micrometer or dial indicator to see how level it is, and oh, fuck. I could put a level on here and see if these are level, which it's not going to do me much good because your standard level doesn't really tell you much. I mean, let me check anyway. This is the part where I'm not a goddamn machinist. See, if I use one of these little suckers, I mean, here, I'll put the level on there, and it tells me, pretty much says it's level. Okay, now, this one, I'll put it on here. That says it's level. How accurate is this? Who the hell knows? I'm not even sure, like, see, because I know this thing has to be level, but do I know anything else about this shit? No, of course not. So let me stop here and continue this another time. I'm going to figure this out online first and then get back to it. Gotta do some learning. So, hope you like this boring ass video.